Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are presenting a short drama about stay safe online. Characters are I am Faiza, I am acting as a mother. I am Atifa, I am acting as a daughter. I am Abdul Iman, I am acting as a father. I am Kafil, I am acting as a son. Scene 1. Children, what are you doing? Dad, I got a new friend request from a stranger. Now accept request from people you don't know. Scene 2. I received a link saying I won a prize. Don't click unknown links, they can be dangerous. Scene 3. Dad, if someone asks for my password, never share your password and personal information with anyone. Okay. Scene 4. If someone bothers me online, I tell you immediately. Very good. Always talk to a trusted alert if something feels wrong. Think before you stay safe online. Thank you, Jazakallah khair.